Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to find payment method on Facebook account. If you are using Facebook and now you want to find your payment method on your Facebook, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your Facebook app and here simply tap on menu option or three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner and then select settings and privacy, then select settings and then you just have to select the see more in account center. Select that option. Now scroll down and you will find the option of MetaPay. You just have to select that and here you will get the option of manage. Simply tap on it and here you will find your payment method if you have added, or if you don't have added any payment method, so you can simply tap on the add payment method option and your payment method will be added. Simply select the payment method and you can easily find your payment method, or you can easily add or create your payment method from the screen. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.